Mga lagi kong ino-order. Nakatsyempo nga ako ng cheese roll. Eto, minsan walang available na cheese roll. Tignan mo, ang lambot niya. And magkano lang to, ha? Basta parang 360 lang lahat to, no? 380 itong binayaran ni Xavier. Wala akong... Pag nag-book ka sa Klook, halos kalahati. Pag nag-book ka sa hotel, halos doble. This time, you hit it. VIP sedan. Diba? Feels like VIP. Charot. At ano ha? Nakakurba, naka-Amerikana pa ang ang tawag dyan. Ayan, so going to the hotel is around 30 to 40 minutes. Ayan, so biyabiyahin na tayo patungong hotel para matulog, mag-check-in at matulog. Ayan, so parang nagising sila. And tsaka lang sila magbubukas ng ilaw. Kasi these are small hotels. Ayan. Ay, ayan, may ilaw naman pala. Passports. Oh, ayan. So, mag-check-in lang tayo. Tapos, matutulog na kami, ha? Bukas na tayo mag-room tour. Ay, nako, inaantok pa ako. Good morning! Welcome to Vietnam, to Hanoi. And, halika, lumabas tayo dito. May balcony. It's cloudy and malamig. Oh my gosh. Ang lamig. Hindi mo din makita yung skyline because it's cloudy. Pero nakikita ko yung araw, mukhang lalabas siya anytime soon. So, isa sa mga paboritong gawin ko in Vietnam, also in Ho Chi Minh, not just in Hanoi, ay mag-breakfast. So, gawin natin yan ngayon dahil napakasarap po ng kanilang kape and mukhang napakasarap ng breakfast selection dito sa La Siesta Hotel. Let's go. This is passion fruit. Ano ba to? Chunky papayas. Watermelon. And nakita ko may pho, no? Magpapapalit ako ng coffee. Kasi, hindi ako natatapangan. Hello! Can I order a stronger coffee?
Yeah, let me check if the coffee is Vietnam for you.
Aha.
Can I trade this for you?
Yeah, if you have the drip,
Yeah, let me check it.
can I order the drip
You can.
stronger? Thank you. Very nice sila. They're very nice.
You want to try the coffee Vietnam? You want to try the coffee Vietnam?
Yeah,
Cold or hot?
hot.
Hot.
Yeah, I like it strong.
Yeah, it's coffee Vietnam very cheap.
Okay, thank you. And then here they have pho. Oh, what? This is...
We serve the
Both.
noodle soup with the beef and chicken here,
Oh.
and the egg and starch.
Oh, okay. Nice.
which order something?
Yeah, maybe I'll order a noodle soup.
You want with the beef or chicken?
Both.
Both? Yes, it's okay.
Yeah, thank you. Ayan, may mga fresh spring rolls. Maganda selection dito, ha? I like the selection. Parang hindi mo na kailangan lumabas. Yung gusto ko dito, yung mga salad-salad. Especially now, nagha-high fiber diet ako. Ah, ayan.
Here is your like coffee.
Oh.
Vietnam. It's here very strong.
Very strong.
Yeah, it's when you feel it's
Condensed
either-
milk. Oh, that's my
correct.
favorite.
Yeah, make yourself. Yes,
Thank
enjoy.
you.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Oh my God, look at my breakfast. Pho, fruits. Diba? Look at this. So, pipicturan ko yan. Kasi yan ang paborito kong gawin. Kinikilabutan ako. Kasi alam niyo kung bakit. Wish ko kasi to eh. Parang binabanggit ko sa kila Dayan, to my family, kila Larry, paulit-ulit, na gusto ko yung Christmas or New Year na breakfast is sa Vietnam or sa Bangkok. Kasi yun yung, ewan ko ha, dati kasi every year we would go to Vietnam during Christmas break. Pero syempre kapag nung naging busy na yung tindahan, hindi na namin siya masyadong magawa. So now we're back. I'm going to enjoy. Tikman natin yung pho habang mainit. Ayan o, ang pho dito sa Hanoi, unlike the one you can find in Saigon. Ay, ayan. That's mine. O, di ba may eggs benedict pa ako? Teka, pause ulit. Picture ulit. Ayan. Makikita mo no, clear. Parang ayaw ko ng tigilan, no? Tagal na mga kasama ko eh. Hanggang 10 lang yung breakfast. Very refined. Diba? Tama. Very refined yung kanilang pho. And sa Saigon, kasi pupunuin niya ng mga mint leaves dito. Medyo subtle lang. And then this is the Vietnamese coffee. I'll try it first without the condensed milk. Oh my gosh. Ang tapang. So, lagyan mo ng condensed. Maya-maya o-order ako ng hot. Ng cold pala, iced. You need the condensed para i-balance. Kasi nga sobrang tapang niya. Ayaw ko magpaawat. Umorder agad ako ng iced Vietnamese coffee. Ang OA ko, no? Pero parang naiiyak ako kasi every sip talaga will bring you. Every sip brings so many memories ng Vietnamese coffee. Ito yung first international trip ko with my college friends. Sila Jonah, sila Sarah, nag-Vietnam kami noon eh. Culinary trip yon. Ay my gosh. Ayun na, mag-e-enjoy na talaga kami kasi ito na yung phone ni Xavier, oh. Hay nako, I'm so happy. So I'm going to enjoy our breakfast. Magbe-breakfast na muna kami ni Xavier dahil ang tagal-tagal po nila. Pero I'm sure pasunod na po yung mga yon. So ayan, hopefully, umaraw na. So we will enjoy our first day here in Hanoi, Vietnam. Hello, good morning! Nakabihis na tayo. And today, free and easy lang tayo. So we're staying at the old quarter. Eto, paglabas mo ng hotel, ayan na yan. Again, this hotel, ano nga pangalan? La Siesta. May mini-mart sa tapat. And ito yung mga traditional na kainan nila.